said, bilang teacher, alam ko marami ka pang pinagdadaanan, may personal ka pang pinagdadaanan, no? So, we have a lot of sources of stress that we face. So, what can we do to take care of ourselves? First, we need to take care of our sleep. You know, kung teacher ka, siguro kulang na yung tulog mo dahil marami kang responsibilidad. We need to be healthy pagdating po sa mga pagkain na kinakain natin. Habang tumatanda tayo, ang dami na nating gusto milk tea just to distress. That's fine. But what we eat, you know what I'm saying, physically, is what we put out. So, importante din po ang mga kinakain natin. Hindi po dapat junk food, dapat talaga healthy. Next, ito po ang mandatory. It's not your preference, it's a need. It's not just a want, it's a need. Mag-exercise tayo. Ayan, you know what I'm saying? Just as we know, di ba? Pag nag-exercise po tayo, pag physically active tayo, it releases feel-good hormones, di ba? Oxytocin, serotonin, endorphin, dopamines. Kapag nag-exercise po tayo, it helps us be active physically and mentally. Ngayon, if you want to rest, just go rest. Pwede ka mag-devotion. Ayan, honestly, sagot talaga dito, alam mo, si Lord talaga eh, no? But there are some things we can control. But also, our spiritual life. We should not forget that. Pray to God, you know what I'm saying? Because God is the one who really understands you when you cannot verbalize what you feel. Si Lord lang po nakakaintindi.